The railway coupler is an important part. It is used to carry wagons or bogies, also it may be cargo or passengers bogie. There are different types of couplers used in railways all over the world. In this video, we will learn about screw coupling. Presently, 90% of trains are running in India using these screw couplers. It is the oldest coupling system but still in use. It is a manual coupler and its working method is very simple. The coaches are connected by using a screw and the coach is provided with side buffers, which avoid the coaches from collision. There are two main parts of screw coupling: screw and drawgear assembly. Screw is used to tighten the coupling between the two bogies to provide cushioning by compressing the side buffers. Let's see some components of the screw coupler. Shaka link, screw, trunnion nut, toggle, ferrule, link. The conventional drawgear assembly plays a vital role in protecting the entire wagon against the damages due to impacts. The two jaws of the screw on both sides are guarded with spring and rubber to minimize the vibration it produces the hauling force. Let's see the draft gear parts. Draw hook, draft key, drawbar, drawbar spring pad, yoke housing assembly etc. The conventional screw coupling WABD 125 has a working load of 22.5 ton. If you want to learn more about railway coupling systems, please check out our next video.